Hey everyone, welcome back to Fast Food and Barbecue. So today we're going to be doing a sourdough starter. This is going to be a 7 to 14 day process, so we're going to start it right now. We have a third cup of all-purpose flour. Put that in there. And we have a fifth cup of water. I'm using spring water from a bottle. So that's it. We're going to give this a good mix. Mix it up really good. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cover it loosely in aluminum foil, not airtight, because what we want is yeasts that are in the air, basically is going to help it ferment and make sourdough. It's not the same yeast that, from the container you put in bread. It's basically from the air. It's the same yeast that you make cheese out of. Get all that in there, and then that's it. Now, contrary to what some people believe or think what they want to believe, fermenting this flour does not make it gluten-free. There's still gluten in there. If you want gluten-free sourdough, then use gluten-free flour. That's it. So this is day one, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, so it's day two of our sourdough starter. So right now I'm going to feed it basically same thing, 1/3 cup of flour, just like that, and a fifth cup of water. Basically a fifth cup of water. I don't know if people have fifth cups on their measuring cups. It's basically 3.2 tablespoons of water. I'm using spring water, so 1, 2, 3, and a little under 3.5. So it doesn't have to be perfect. It's still going to work out. So that's it. So that's that. Now we're going to give it a mix. And when I open it up today, it's definitely, this yeast in the air. It's definitely bubbling and actually smells yeasty, which is kind of weird because I didn't put any yeast in it. So we're going to mix this up. Just like that. And then we'll do it again tomorrow. And we'll do this every day for 7 to 14 days. We'll see how it looks. I have another one that's been going for about 4 days now, and it's kind of funkadelic, and which means it's working. So, all right. So we'll see you tomorrow. All right. So this is day 3 of our sourdough starters. So what I'm going to do is the foil I have on top right here. I got 2 marks. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to put another mark on there, just so I know it's day 3. So now we're going to add. I don't know if you can see this. Oh yeah, you can see it. It's all bubbly and definitely smells funkadelic. So we're going to add another 1/3 cup of flour. Like that. We're going to add our 1/5 cup of water. Like I told you last night, it's 3 tablespoons plus like less than a quarter. 1, 2, and a little flip it over. So that's it. Now we're going to mix this up. And this is pretty much like a science project. My other one that's going on day 5 today, it smells funky. But that's how they make it. So anyway, so we're going to mix this up really good. And then we'll be back tomorrow with day 4 of this one. So we'll see you then. All right, so we're on day 4 now of our sourdough starter. So once again, we're going to feed it with a 1/3 cup of flour and a 1/5 cup of water. And I'm going to tell you, it's kind of bubbly yesterday. Now it's a little kind of separated. But from what I've been watching videos, I'm just going to go with it and see what happens. So we're going to give it a quick mix. It'll all mix up good. I tell you what, it does smell funky though. It smells like sourdough. And like I said, I'm no baker, and I'm new with this one, but I guess that's what they say to be. It's expected. It's going to smell. So that's it. We'll give it a good mix. And my other one that I started, which I'm not filming, I'm going to pour half of it out and get rid of it, and then add more. Feed it again with some flour and water. They say that's what you should do if it's really separated. So we'll see. So that's it. We'll cover this back up. We'll put another notch on the aluminum foil with my Sharpie so I know what day it is. And that's it. And we will see you tomorrow. All right, we're on day 5 of our starter. I don't know, it looks a little separated. Looks a little funkadelic, and it smells really funkadelic, but that's right. We're going to feed it again with 1/3 cup of flour and 1/5 cup of water. And you have to do a little research on how it's supposed to look, but I mean, it smells like sourdough, but we'll see. So, just going to give this another mix. And we'll put our notch on our aluminum foil on top, day 5. It looks good now. I mean, it smells like sourdough, so we'll see. So that's it. So we'll get this mixed up good and all good, and then we will see you tomorrow on day 6. All right, we're on day 6 of our sourdough starter. So same thing. We're going to feed it with 1/3 cup of flour and 1/5 cup of water. A little tiny bit over 3 tablespoons. And that's it. I'm going to give it a good mix. And it's definitely smelling like sourdough. It's smelling funky, and it's got some bubbles. So that's a good thing. So we'll give it a good mix. And on the foil on top, I put another notch for day 6. That's it. So we're going to let this rest overnight, and we'll feed it again tomorrow, and hopefully it'll be good. Alright, so we'll see you tomorrow. Alright, we're on day 7 of our sourdough starter. If you can see it, looking beautiful, nice and bubbly. Ooh, smells like sourdough. So once again, we're going to go with 1/3 cup of flour. And I'm going to add a little less water this time. Maybe just 2 tablespoons, because it was a little too watery last time. Actually, we're going to go just 1 to start. And give it a mix and see how it looks. Seemed like it kind of died because there was too much water in it. And it wasn't eating it, but it came back to life. So actually, I think we're just going to go with this one. That looks good. Yeah, it looks beautiful. So that's it. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, so we're going to cover this up and then mark our foil, and then we'll bake it. Not bake it, check it tomorrow and see. We'll see you then. Alright, our sourdough starter is done. This one here, we're on day 7. As you can see, it's all bubbly and nice and alive. And this one we have is for day 8. Same thing, looking beautiful. Definitely smelling like sourdough. Definitely smelling a little funky, which is good. So I think next video, maybe next day or 2, we'll be making sourdough bread. We'll see. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you soon.